Today we bring a very interesting topic for you: the relation between human and Earth. In this topic we will discuss how human modernization impact on the Earth in the passage of history and how it is shaping the Earth. We will also discuss how this modernization impacting the animals and their habitat. Let's start this journey of wonders and knowledge. Humans, as a species, have existed on Earth for approximately 200,000 to 300,000 years. This estimate is based on evidence from archaeological and genetic studies. Here's a brief overview of some key pieces of evidence. 1. Fossil record. The earliest fossils of anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, have been dated to around 200,000 years ago. These fossils, found in regions like Africa and the Middle East, provide direct evidence of our species' existence. 2. Genetic studies. Genetic research, particularly the study of mitochondrial DNA and Y-chromosomal DNA, has been used to estimate the time of divergence between different human populations. These studies suggest a common ancestor for all modern humans around 200,000 to 300,000 years ago. 3. Archaeological evidence. Archaeological discoveries of ancient tools, artwork, and structures provide further evidence of human existence and development over tens of thousands of years. 4. Fossil ancestors. The fossil record also includes evidence of our human ancestors, such as Homo erectus and Homo habilis, who lived millions of years ago. These species show the evolutionary progression leading to Homo sapiens. It's important to note that the exact timeline of human evolution and the emergence of modern humans continues to be a subject of ongoing research, and new discoveries may refine our understanding. However, the evidence from various fields of science supports the idea that Homo sapiens have been present on Earth for hundreds of thousands of years. Human activities have had a significant impact on Earth's climate throughout history, and this impact has accelerated in recent centuries. Here's an overview of how human actions have influenced Earth's climate. 1. Historical land use. Early human societies altered landscapes through activities like deforestation and agriculture, which could lead to localized climate effects. For example, deforestation can reduce local humidity and affect regional weather patterns. 2. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, marked a major turning point. The burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, for energy drastically increased carbon dioxide, CO2, emissions, a greenhouse gas. This began to trap more heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. 3. Greenhouse gas emissions. In the 20th and 21st centuries, human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels for energy, transportation, and industrial processes, have led to a rapid increase in greenhouse gas emissions. This has been the primary driver of modern climate change. 4. Deforestation and land use changes. Large-scale deforestation, conversion of natural landscapes to agriculture, and urbanization have also released CO2 and altered land surface properties, affecting local and regional climates. 5. Industrial processes. Other industrial processes release greenhouse gases like methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, which contribute to global warming. 6. Climate modeling and records. Scientists use climate models and historical climate records to assess the impact of human activities on Earth's climate. These models take into account factors like greenhouse gas concentrations, solar variability, volcanic activity, and more. The consequences of these human-induced changes in climate include global warming. Earth's average surface temperature has been rising, leading to more frequent and severe heat waves. Melting ice and rising sea levels. Polar ice caps and glaciers are melting, causing sea levels to rise, which threatens coastal communities. Extreme weather events. An increase in extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heavy rainfall, is linked to climate change. Ecosystem disruption. Climate change can disrupt ecosystems, impacting plant and animal species. Ocean acidification. Increased CO2 levels are making oceans more acidic, which can harm marine life. Addressing these climate impacts requires global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and implement sustainable land use practices. International agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to mitigate climate change by limiting global temperature rise and fostering adaptation strategies. Animal habitats have been significantly impacted by human civilization throughout history. Here are some key points illustrating this impact. 1. Habitat destruction. The expansion of human settlements, agriculture, and infrastructure development has led to the destruction of natural habitats. Forests, wetlands, and grasslands have been cleared for urbanization and agriculture, displacing many species. 2. Deforestation. Logging for timber, expansion of agricultural lands, and urbanization have resulted in massive deforestation. This has dire consequences for animals that rely on forests, such as orangutans, tigers, and various bird species. 3. Pollution. Industrialization and urbanization have led to pollution of air, water, and soil. Pollutants like chemicals and plastics have harmed aquatic ecosystems and the animals that inhabit them. 4. Climate change. Human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, have driven climate change. This has altered temperature and precipitation patterns, affecting the habitats of countless species. Many animals are struggling to adapt or facing increased risks of extinction due to these changes. 5. Overexploitation. Hunting, fishing, and poaching for food, trophies, and the exotic pet trade have driven many species to the brink of extinction. Examples include the illegal ivory trade and overfishing of marine species. 6. Invasive species. The movement of goods and people has introduced non-native species to new areas, disrupting local ecosystems. Invasive species can outcompete native species for resources and cause their decline or extinction. 7. Habitat fragmentation. Roads, highways, and urban areas fragment natural habitats, making it difficult for animals to find mates, food, and suitable habitats. This can lead to reduced genetic diversity and population decline. 8. Conservation efforts. While human civilization has had a negative impact on animal habitats, there are also conservation efforts aimed at mitigating these effects. Protected areas, wildlife reserves, and habitat restoration projects are crucial in preserving critical habitats. 9. Indigenous knowledge. Indigenous peoples often have a deep understanding of their local ecosystems and have practiced sustainable land management for generations. Recognizing and respecting their knowledge can contribute to habitat preservation. 10. Legal protections. International and national laws and treaties have been established to protect endangered species and their habitats. Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, and the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, work to promote conservation efforts globally. In summary, human civilization's expansion and activities have had both direct and indirect impacts on animal habitats. While many species have suffered, there are ongoing efforts to mitigate these effects and protect the biodiversity of our planet. We put lots of effort to bring new and interesting topics which leads to you new information and give a new way to your thinking. To encourage us, please do subscribe, like and share. It will nothing costs you but keep us motivated. Thanks for watching.